Thanks, honey, for taking me on this beautiful honeymoon. I love it out here.
No problem, baby. Anything for you.
I love it out here. It's so pretty.
Not as pretty as you, baby. Bow chicka wah wah, chicka waka chicka waka chicka waka chicka waka chicka waka chicka bow chicka bow chicka bow chicka wah wah, chicka bow wow, chicka bow wow, woo.
What was that?
Don't worry about it, baby. Ah, you fiend! You monster!
Oh, honey, are you alright?
Don't worry, it was just a bite. Ah! Ooh, stop my spleen! No!
Honey! No, why?
Take me to the hospital!
I'm the doctor! Look, a patient.
I am sick.
What happened?
I am very sick. I was bit by a monkey and a bat in the jungle.
Oh no. Do you have?
High fever, headache, muscle aches, stomach pain, fatigue, diarrhea, sore throat, hiccups, rash, red and itchy eyes, vomiting blood, bloody diarrhea.
Yes, I have all of those.
I'm sorry to say this, but I think you have Ebola!
What should you do for me?
Nothing. You will die in 1 to 2 weeks.
Oh no!
I'm sorry.
Back at home, he was feeling faint. I am feeling faint. Very faint. Very faint.